Welcome back and thank you for being tuned into the morning news hour on Times Now with me, Pratibha. 25 vehicles have been set ablaze. Over 50 people, including police personnel, have been injured. That's the update from Nagpur, where violence broke out late last evening after protests had been called against the Mughal tyrant Aurangzeb. Now, another group came in while some were protesting, and that resulted in clashes that took place. And here is what happened. Let's, in fact, get you the visuals that are playing out on the screens. But first, let's get you a CCTV footage. This is a Times Now exclusive. The CCTV footage that the police officials are looking at, where you can see several rioters who are masked with their faces covered, sticks in their hands. They can be seen pelting stones. These are the CCTV visuals that Times Now has access. Police officials using that as evidence to identify these rioters. Now look at these visuals closely, and they show you how the rioters were running amok there. My colleague Arunil Saradekar is joining us on the broadcast. Before that, let me also go across to my colleague Rakesh, who is with us. Rakesh, the CCTV footage, very, very crucial here at a time when we've also revealed that the police officials are looking at whether this was a pre-planned attack. Rioters are seen with their faces covered, with sticks in their hand and pelting stones.
Yes, in fact, all the local residents, the eyewitnesses are telling us the same. They are making the same claim that all the rioters had come well prepared. It was a well-planned conspiracy. They had come with their face covered, and there was a specific particular pattern seen and noticed when the rioters attacked these vehicles. When they torched vehicles, they pelted stones on the houses, not only on the houses, but also on the vehicles and cars as well. I have few local residents here with me who will tell us more about this. Sir, क्या पैटर्न नजर आए गाड़ियों के निशाने पे? क्या कुछ हम पहले बात कर रहे थे, आप हमारे दर्शकों को फिर से बताएं।
आप देख रहे हैं उसके ऊपर जय श्री राम लिखा है और उसी के गाड़ी का तोड़फोड़ हुई है। जो यहाँ के बाकी लोगों की जो गाड़ी थी, बाजू रहने वाले इनकी BWD, उस दिन वो कार नहीं थी। वहाँ पे जो है ऑटो डील का कंपनी, जहाँ पर उसके सामने में बहुत सारी गाड़ी खड़ी रही थी रोज, लेकिन कल रात को वो गाड़ी एक भी खड़ी नहीं थी बाहर रास्ते के ऊपर।
यानी कि कुछ सिलेक्टिव टारगेट
प्लान सिलेक्टिंग का काम हुआ है। हिंदुओं की गाड़ी तोड़ी गई है और वो
लेट मी टेल यू, ही इज नॉट द ओनली वन टू से दिस, देयर आर मेनी हु आर मेकिंग द सेम क्लेम. सर, डू यू थिंक दैट दिस वाज अ वेल प्लान्ड कॉन्स्पिरेसी एंड सिलेक्टेड टारगेट्स वर मेड? क्या लोगों को चुन चुन करके जो निशाना बनाएगा, आपको भी ये लगता है जैसा कि कुछ लोग
बिल्कुल 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 चुन चुन के किया है?
क्या आरोप है?
ये साइड में सब हिंदू समाज रहता है हमारा, उस साइड में सब मुस्लिम समाज है। उधर एक भी बंदा गया नहीं, सभी इधर इसी रोड पे, इसी रोड पे गाड़ी फूटी, इसी रोड पे घर जलाए गए, इसी रोड पे सब इसी रोड पे हुआ है। ये बाजू की गली हमसापुरी, हमारा भालदारपुरा में कोई हिंदू समाज रहता है, उधर तो बहुत बेकार परिस्थिति उधर।
आई विल टेक यू टू वन ऑफ द आई विटनेसेस हु स्टेज हियर। सर, क्या कितने बजे की ये घटना है, कितने लोग आए थे, कैसे शुरुआत हुई, बताइए।
ये सबसे पहले छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज चौक में से चालू हुआ। उन्होंने पथराव किया, उसमें एक पुलिसकर्मी जख्मी हुआ। उसके बाद पुलिस ने उनको यानी लाठीचार्ज जैसे हुआ। फिर वो जितना जमावड़ा था वो सब बिल्कुल बिखर गया, और बिखरते हुए फिर जो हाथ में आ रहा था उसको फोड़ते जा रहे थे, और वो काफी तादाद में थे। हमारे भी गली में हमने प्रतिकार करने का प्रयास किया, पर हम कुछ ही लोग थे, वो बहुत सारे 300-400 लोग थे।
कितने बजे की घटना है
ये 7:30-8 बजे शुरू हुआ
शाम को,
रात को। हाँ। और फिर ये 9:30 बजे तक चलता रहा।
तो उस वक्त घरों में महिलाएं होंगी, बच्चे होंगे, डर का माहौल था?
बिल्कुल डर का माहौल था, और अभी भी वो डर के माहौल में ही है। उनको ऐसे लग रहा है कि ये दोबारा ना हो, और दोबारा होगा तो क्या होगा, क्योंकि प्रोटेक्शन पुलिस भी उधर जा रही थी तो ये इधर आ रहे थे, ये वो पुलिस इधर आ रही थी तो उधर जा रहे थे, इस तरह से था, क्योंकि इतनी सारी तादाद थी और ये सब प्लानिंग हुआ था। प्लानिंग के अनुसार ही उन्होंने काम किया।
क्या ये साथ में कुछ पत्थर लेकर के आए थे या लकड़ियां लाए थे? क्या कुछ हथियार भी लाए थे?
कुछ उनके हाथ में तलवारें थी, लकड़ियां थी, पत्थर थे हाथ में, ज्वलनशील पदार्थ थे, और उन्होंने गाड़ी भी जलाई है।
Okay, I will try to show you the vehicle which was destroyed, damaged by these rioters, and you can see the size of the stones, and the locals allege that this size of stones are not easily available on the roadside. Perhaps they were procured, they were accessed from somewhere else, and then they were brought here and they were used in the attack. So the stone is here on the seat, and my camera person Vinayak is trying to show you the stone, and look at the size of the stone. And this is why the local residents are saying that this was a well-planned conspiracy and well-planned attack. That is the allegation that they are making. Meantime, while I'm showing you the visuals of all these cars damaged line by line, the entire lane is being attacked. The Nagpur police is registering the case. So far, more than 50 persons have been detained. About 15 are injured, and including few police officers. Now look at the another vehicle which is also damaged, and again a big size stone can be seen here inside this car, not only on the front seat but also on the rear seat, and all the windshields, all the glasses are completely broken, completely trashed. There's another car, another four-wheeler which is also again targeted and by these rioters. Few of them had come, covered their face, and again you can see that the entire thing is damaged. So this is the scenario, and you can guess how fearful, how the situation was tense last night here at this lane of Mahal area in Nagpur. And currently, not only the Chief Minister, but also...
So in fact, the visuals show, Rakesh, very clearly the kind of violence that broke out. Not just have police officials and civilians been injured, but several vehicles have been set ablaze. In fact, let's get you another ground report. This is filed by my colleague Arunil Saradekar, who gets us what the situation is like currently. Several vehicles continue to be on the road, completely charred, many of them vandalized completely, and as of now prohibitory orders are in place in these areas in Nagpur.
My video journalist Sachin Yeram basically is showing you visuals from the ground. This is basically Chitnis Park near the Mahal area of Nagpur. You can see this is an SUV vehicle which was brutally attacked by the people in the mob. Everything in the vehicle has been broken, and this is one JCB as well, which was basically set ablaze by the miscreants. The impact, the magnitude of the attack can be understood from the fact that the entire JCB is been charred over here. You can see everything is burned over here, and there on this entire road, in fact, there are several such vehicles which were basically torched up by the mob that had basically gathered near the Mahal area. Yes, it was because of a rumor. That is what the Nagpur police officials are telling us. As many as 20 police personnel were injured. One DCP rank officer also sustained serious injuries. UBT Sena particularly has been saying that the kind of protest that was supported by the BJP related to Aurangzeb has led to this kind of a violence, and the speeches that several BJP ministers, particularly Nitesh Rane, was making throughout Maharashtra. But CM Devendra Fadnavis, who also hails from Nagpur, he has requested his fellow Nagpurkars basically to maintain restraint, saying that communal harmony. क्या हुआ था
यहाँ पे जी मार धाड़ हो रही थी, इस वजह से हो रही थी बस।
आप यहाँ पर थे कल जब यहाँ पे ये मारधाड़ हो रही थी?
हाँ जी, मार धाड़ हो रही थी, फिर मैं यहाँ से भाग गया था, फिर कभी पिट जाए। हमने गाड़ी ऐसी लगा दी थी। यहाँ पे पीछे हमारा टावर है।
कौन सी गाड़ी?
ये टाटा सफारी।
पहले सब कैमरे टूटे, बाद में चुन कर वहाँ तक, उनके घर तक, उनके अंदर तलवार ये सब दिख रहा है। पूरा वेल प्लान सारा विषय दिख रहा है। मैं अभी सीपी साहब से सुबेरे में मैंने बात की। ये जो जगह है ये बहुत सेंसिटिव जगह है। यदि शहर में कभी भी कुछ होता है तो पहले 10-20 पुलिस वाले इस चौराहे पे उखड़ रहे थे। वेल प्लान घटना थी। मैं माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी से भी अभी बात करूंगा। मैं नागपुर अभी पलटे आया हूँ। माननीय पालक मंत्री विशेष विमान से अभी 9 बजे पहुंच रहे हैं। जिन्होंने ये घटना की उनके सारे फोटो इनके DVR में सब है।
At present, I'm in Chitnis Park, where violence broke out massively between two communities. Behind me, you can see how a JCB crane was also torched up. Another vehicle was also brutally attacked, mercilessly attacked by the mob that had gathered here. Yeah, this is a narrow lane. A huge mob, a massive mob, tried to enter this lane and basically disrupt the residents in.
So, was the violence pre-planned? The evidence of the CCTV now suggests to the police officials are looking at the same, with the MOS home also confirming the same to Times Now. We continue getting you details of the investigation and more. For now, quick break. We'll be right back.